it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking to create authentic tasting cuisine in your kitchen, then I absolutely recommend that you have this mortar and pestle set from Koville. One of my favorite things to make at home is hummus. And before there were blenders or food processors, how do you think people made it? Well, they used a mortar and pestle set. This one has been so nice to use because it has unfinished stone, which really helps the process of getting things smoother go quicker. I love that I'm actually getting in there using my muscles to get things blended up. The pestle does have some heft to it, and you really just need to let it do its job. You're going to be muscling it around a little bit, but this thing really does what it's supposed to do. Not only does this mix and grind really well, but it's actually in just a beautiful container. So you can make it in this container and then just serve it in it as well, and it'll cut down on the amount of dishes that you have. I got the 4-cup African stone set. It's a charcoal gray. It does have a non-slip pad on the bottom, so you're not going to scrape up your surfaces. The pestle does have a smooth surface, so it's really comfortable to hold. I'm so delighted with the set that I got from Koville. It has been the perfect addition to my kitchen, and that's my point of view.